Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a document with the correct units and color mode because output depends on that choice. Once done, enable rulers, grid, and snapping so objects align precisely as you work. Import your images and logos, deciding whether to link or embed based on file size and edit needs. Next, set layers for layout, artwork, and text to stay organized. Make sure to save a versioned file immediately so you can revert if an early change breaks composition. You now construct and refine the vector artwork. Draw with the Bezier and pen tools, then edit nodes to perfect curves and corners. Once shapes exist, apply fills, gradients, and outlines while using break apart sparingly to access subshapes. Use Power Clip to place art into shapes and add transparency and effects to build depth, but keep edits non-destructive whenever possible so you can tweak appearance later. Throughout, group and lock elements to prevent accidental moves and check alignment with guidelines. You finish by checking color separations, bleeds, and fonts. Convert text to curves only when necessary for production. Export using appropriate presets, PNG or JPG for screens, PDF/X or EPS for print, and embed fonts or convert them to curves to avoid missing font errors. Once exported, inspect proofs at 100%. If something goes wrong, first verify linked images and color profile mismatches. Then try relinking assets or exporting to a fresh file.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.